Didn't your mum and dad had
My
one?
mum and dad had one.
And it was a bit of a competition. I wanted to get one so that I could beat what they were spending.
I kind of knew that by having a smart meter, you wouldn't need to let somebody in your home to read your meter because it did that for you. I don't think I fully appreciated the ability you had to influence things in your home.
Going around and seeing what each individual component will cost you. So turning everything off and boiling the kettle, finding how much a kettle will cost to boil. Saving money, that's what it was all about for me.
One thing we did was with the workshop on the side of the house, we had that put into the heating system, so the heating runs through the workshop. Yeah. We've got Biff and Chip, our guinea pigs.
Yeah.
They keep me company when I'm on my bike, and they've got a lovely little chirp.
Which one's your favourite, Holly?
Chip. She's got longer hair and she's more fluffy.
Our friends are surprised, aren't they, actually, at how low our bills are compared to theirs.
I think your mum and dad had given up in the competition. They just we blew them out of the water.
It feels good to know that we're saving money, we're educating our children.
It gives you power, doesn't it, as well? You can influence your bill, you can influence your energy usage and make it more, well, just make it better.
Yeah.
What makes you say,
when the cost gets as close to zero as possible.
Ditto. I'm with you on that one.